Your HVAC system works hard all year to keep your home comfortable, through hot summers and cold Pennsylvania winters. But without regular maintenance, your system can lose efficiency, break down unexpectedly, and cost you more in energy bills. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, rely on PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional HVAC maintenance services. Our skilled technicians perform thorough inspections to ensure every part of your system is operating at peak performance. From cleaning components and replacing filters to checking airflow and system controls, we handle every detail. Routine maintenance helps prevent costly repairs, improves energy efficiency, and extends the life of your HVAC system. The result? Reliable comfort, cleaner indoor air, and peace of mind for you and your family. With flexible service plans and dependable customer care, we make it easy to keep your system running smoothly year-round. For trusted HVAC maintenance in Paoli, Pennsylvania, choose PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, your partner in home comfort. When should I replace my HVAC system instead of repairing it? Replacement is recommended when your system is over 10 to 15 years old, requires frequent repairs, or no longer provides consistent heating and cooling. What are the signs my HVAC system needs replacement? Common signs include uneven temperatures, rising energy bills, poor airflow, loud noises, frequent breakdowns, and outdated technology. Can a new HVAC system reduce my energy bills? Yes. Modern systems are more energy efficient and can significantly lower monthly utility costs compared to older units. Where is PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.